Hi, I'm Nabeel Qadeer, and today I'm going to help you break down some further steps into creating a fantastic Google Ads campaign. So we've already covered details pertaining to campaign types and goals in previous videos. So picking up from there, let's see what comes next. The next part of your general settings is to give your campaign a name. This is just for management purposes, so it doesn't matter where you really put it. Right after this, you're asked about search and display networks yet again. You can select both if you want, but I'd recommend if you're a smaller business, focus all your energies on the search page. The location and language details that you set will further narrow down the audience that you're targeting, and that's actually exactly what you want to do right now. For newer businesses who are trying to create a clientele, it's actually very nice and recommended to stay focused. And once you've captured a market share, you can choose to widen your options. When we say know your target audience, that's actually the next step. You will be asked to define your audience. If you've done your research, this part really shouldn't be very hard to get through. You will see that there are different subsections here, one of which is browse. Within this subsection, you will find two different categories. One is who they are, and the other is how have they interacted with your business. The latter is for remarketing purposes. Opening these will take you to another set of options. Don't rush through this. Take your time and go deep. The more information you give to Google, the better it will be able to optimize your ad for you. Next, we move on to budget and bidding. So this is tricky. So I'm going to keep this for a different video, and I won't be going too deep into this right now. You can put $10 or whatever you want in the budget. Remember, this is the money you're agreeing to spend per day. In the bidding section, you're given a number of options. Do you want conversions, clicks, or options share? Impressions are the number of times your ad appears on the platform. In other words, it's the number of times your ad will be seen. Impressions share is the number of impressions received divided by the number of impressions that were expected to be received. Also, in the bidding section, you'll need to define the time for which you want the ad to run. Remember, you're paying per day, so be sure to know exactly for how long you want your ad to keep appearing. Ad extensions are up next, and this is essentially all of the additional information that you think should be there. Relevant links and contact details come here. Google claims that this additional information increases your CTR by 15%. And this is it for part 2. The next video is going to be the last one, and after which you will be all set to begin with your adventurous digital marketing journey. Stay tuned, I'll see you again soon.